Hello traders, today 29th of November 2023. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. Dollar Swiss franc yesterday and bank amazing profit. And if you look at the dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout. So we've been short since the market broken this consolidation. Especially if you look at the market broken and after this breakout, when the market retest, give us the confirmation. High probability trade. So yesterday market reversed and developed this consolidation as you can see here. So we've been breakout short trade here and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday and help my traders not to miss this opportunity and bank amazing profit. So if you look at the Kiwi dollar, we've been short. If you look at it previously, we have short bank amazing profit. And afterwards, we did another analysis at the New York session yesterday. That was a pretty straightforward market nicely broken. After the breakout, market nicely retest and retest again. We announce all these three trades through live audio commentary. As soon as the market hits to the first target, as explained, my trade is time to enjoy amazing profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time with a full explanation in detail through live audio commentary support, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community and have a nice day, and I wish you all the best.